Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this really rather gorgeous Land Rover Series 1 that you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, here we are with this Land Rover Series 1, looking absolutely superb in bronze green. We've left the hood furled up at the moment so you can see the rear interior, but when we do the photos we'll do some up and down. Absolutely fantastic, this one. Oh, it's got my camera gear in the back, sorry about that. But it is a really first class example in every respect. Even with it's got the semaphores on it still, which do still work, although it has got proper indicators on it as well for safety. It's also got the winch on the front, although there's no rope with it, but it's got the PTO winch, which is very desirable. Right, let's take a good look around it elsewhere. We've got mirrors on the front, on the wings where they should be. We've got the correct style Avon tyres. We'll go into the full spec on our website, but as you can see, it really is quite super. Around the back, it's got the correct pork pie lights. It's got two bench seats in the back and 3 seats across the front, so it is a 7-seater at a pinch. But let's look at it in detail, shall we say. The paintwork is really good on it. Don't know when it was restored, but I will dig into the history and find out. We have got a big comprehensive history file with it. Slightly orange peely paint on this near side front wing, but probably no worse than it would have been when it left the factory back in the late 50s. And I do like to see one with the semaphore trafficators on it. Looking down the near side, let's go back to this. I'm a bit bewitched by this one in fairness. Looking down the near side, it looks beautifully straight down there. Panel fit's all good. Show you in here. Exhaust has got the right shield on it. Up here on the scuffle, it's all very good. And then inside, say suede green seats. Now that door will go back and dink onto the wing where it should, onto the little rubber stop. It's got mats in the front. It's got additional oil pressure and water temperature gauges. The correct steering wheel. The correct wipers. It's also got a fume curtain in this one, so you don't get exhaust fumes coming in when the back is open. That's obviously detachable. Lovely around here. Let's go back under here. And then around the back end, it's all rather super. In the back here, so ignore my camera gear sitting on that seat. That doesn't come with it. Twin bench seats. It's all good around there. Again, looking down the offside, looks beautifully straight down there. And then under here, the driver's door's all nice. Scuffle corner, it's very good. That's just a bit of water on there. It's not watermark. No, the paintwork on it is absolutely fantastic. It's really good. I haven't seen a better Series 1 for a long time. No dents in the fronts of the wings or anything. Let's go back to inside. And again, the door goes all the way out as it should and just hits the rubber buffer. Just absolutely lovely. Nothing whatsoever that I can criticise on this. And that's saying something, because I normally find something. But very, very impressed with this indeed. Sorry about our Chevy in the background, but it's just about to go off to a show, so it's not a bad car to have in the background, I guess. In fact, in fairness, they're pretty much the same age. Just two different approaches. So, there we have it. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.motodrome.com.